After today I'm going to review the TED Talk titled Why AI Will Never Replace Humans by Alexander Wang. In this powerful and thoughtful presentation, Wang explains why artificial intelligence, no matter how advanced, can never fully replace human mind, heart, and creativity. Through real world examples and strong arguments, he highlights the unique qualities that only humans have, such as emotions, ethics, imaginations, and purpose. This talk helped me realize that the future belongs to human working with AI, not being replaced by it. In this inspiring TED Talk, Alexander Wang, the CEO of Scale AI, explains why artificial intelligence can never fully replace human beings. Even though AI is growing fast and could do many amazing things like writing, translating, and analyzing big data, it still lacks something very important: human qualities. Wang says that AI is just a tool. It can follow instructions and learn patterns from data, but it doesn't have feelings, values, creativity, or understanding. It cannot make moral decisions, feel emotions like love or empathy, or imagine something new without being told. He also explains that humans learn from life, not just data. We have experiences, relationships, cultures, and emotions that AI cannot copy. For example, AI can write a poem, but it doesn't feel the meaning of that poem. It just knows what a poem looks like based on data. Wang believes the best future is not a human versus AI, but humans working with AI. He says we should use AI to help use, to make things faster, smarter, and more efficient. But humans say must control and use their judgment, kindness, and creativity. Conclusion: this TED Talk reminds us that AI is a powerful tool, but human intelligence is a special. It is built on emotions, ethics, imaginations, and meaning, things that AI will never truly understand. When message is clear, AI will assist humans, but it will never replace them. Jazakallah. Thank you. Khudafiz.